2020. Hi, my love. So today, guys, we're going to a Filipino party. And the theme is polka dots, guys. So everyone is wearing polka dots. My love is wearing polka dots, and baby is wearing polka dots. He's just wearing coat, so me is wearing polka dots as well. There you go. And I will see you all later there. Nandito na kami, guys. Madami ng car nakapark, so for sure busy na to. Ang bahay ni Miss. Can you park there beside that cars there? There. Looks like a big party. That's Kuya Joseph. Yeah, in here. You know, guys. Let me see who's in there. The house is the big house of niece and Joe. Let me hold the wine, babe. Let me hold the bottle. Thank you. No, polka dots and polka dots. Ooh. Lots of people in here. Hi! Hi, Miss.
Hi!
Here. Hello, everyone! Happy New Year!
Oh, di ba? Another wine!
May tumatawag sa'yo.
Hello!
Hello, how are you? Nice to see you.
Happy New Year!
Yes!
Michael, how are you?
Asan na sila, Christina?
Tina, on the way pa. Happy New Year.
Asan na? May pa sila?
Ay, Diyos ko po. Sure.
Ha?
Oh, ang daming food.
Oh, it's okay.
Nice.
What's up here, huh?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You should bring the top of it. Ate Kati, mag-hi ka naman, Ate Kati.
Hello.
Hi ka sa akin. Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hi, vlog! Ganun ba yun?
Yes!
Hi, vlog!
Where's your daddy?
In the kitchen.
Oh my God. Wow.
Agay, ganton. Grab my
It's just for a drop in.
Kumain ka na, Rai?
Kain na kayo, kanina pa kami.
Sabi na kami ni Tina. Yan si Marites. Ayan o, naka-polka dots.
Wala yung una siya. Baka makapunta na sa iba.
Wala, Bin.
Tayo, guys.
Wala din
Good.
timba.
Nis, ikaw ba nagluto nito lahat, Nis? Hindi sila.
Nagigitain lang ako. Sabi niya, mong daw buwan.
Thank you, Joe.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Joe. Thank you for inviting us.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you, Joe.
May lasagna dito.
Thank you, Nis.
Isda, Chibi.
Bye, bye, everyone. Hello, bye-bye. Hello.
Huling dumating, naunang uwi.
Yan, na-vlog na yan.
Bye, vloggers!
Bye, everyone. Bye, Tikate.
Okay.
See you in Monan!
See you.
Ingat sa biyahe.
Thank you, everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Tingnan nyo na lang to sa Facebook. Guys, we're finished. We're home. Party is over. Polka dot teams is over. Happy New Year, Hickson!
I think he's in a mood.
He's sleepy. Happy New Year, my love.
Happy New Year, everybody.
So we have a takeaway. Lots of takeaway, guys. Food. Here. Dinosaur. So we have the dinuguan, cassava cake. Yes, mommy, give it to you now. Wait. Sweet and sour fish. Cake. Spring roll and what do you call this? Embutido. I like this one. Sinigang na baboy. And leche flan.
Oh my God, lots of food.
Lots of food. That's all. Thank you so much, all. I had a great time. Thank you all. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye bye. Till next time.
Till next time. Hi guys! If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!